Yeah, we've been watching these tropical waves, John, as you've been mentioning for quite some time. And now that these models have shifted towards our area, now is the time that we really need to start to prepare. Here is the latest on our tropical satellite. You can see Invest 94L, what we presume to be Imelda. That's our next name on the list. This storm is over near Hispaniola right now, over towards the Puerto Rico area. And this is what's likely going to develop for us and become our next tropical system. Now, as the system pushes to the north, something we'll be watching is it to intensify. How high it intensifies, well, that is still up in the air. John, I'm going to ask if you're able to set my graphics here forward for me, and we'll be able to see some of where this storm is headed. Generally speaking, models are indicating that this storm is going to be pushing into the Bahamas over the next couple of days. So that is something we'll be watching. Beyond that, that's where we're really going to be watching some of these spaghetti models. If we step this forward one more time, we're able to see that these models, rather than staying out to sea, which is what we want them to do, they step into the Carolinas. And you can see there's still a little bit of spread, so we still have some wiggle room here. Do we see it landfall down closer to Georgia? Do we see it get closer up to Wilmington, North Carolina? That is all up in the air. Something we're going to fine tune over the next couple of days. So what do we know right now? Well, models are shifting to the west, which means the Carolinas are in play for tropical activity. Timing, what we're going to be watching is that Monday to Wednesday time frame. We'll have better, more specific details as we get closer, but that's what we want you to be heads up for right now. Impacts, potentially heavy rainfall, some gusty winds, and of course you get tropical systems, a little bit of spin. We'll be watching for that severe weather potential. All things that we're going to be monitoring. We'll get another model run update later on this evening, and John, you'll have those details coming up tonight.
And Danielle, we want to stress here, I mean, this was such a huge change from even when we went into work this morning, right? So it could change again. Stay tuned with the weather app. We can provide you consistent updates here. But this is what we're going with right now. Storm threat through the weekend, and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, at least 50% chances of rain, those being the implications from that potential tropical system. More coming up later on.